Hey everyone, want to safely test any app or browse securely without affecting your PC? Let me show you how to enable Windows Sandbox in just under a minute. Let's dive in. First, make sure you are running Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Windows 11 Pro. Unfortunately, it is not available for the Home Edition users. Next, type Turn Windows feature on or off into the search bar and open it. Scroll down until you find Windows Sandbox, check the box, hit OK, and restart your PC when prompted. Once your PC restarts, search for Windows Sandbox into the Start menu and open it. A clean virtual environment will appear, ready for testing apps and more. And there you have it, a safe and easy way to isolate apps or tasks. Please keep in mind once you close Windows Sandbox, all user data inside it will disappear as it is just a temporary isolated environment. Like, share, and subscribe for more such tips. Thank you. See you next time.